What not to do in Croatia? Biggest mistakes travelers make. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey to Croatia. A spectacular Mediterranean hotspot known for its stunning beaches, UNESCO World Heritage Sites, and vibrant culture. We'll guide you through the top 20 blunders you should avoid to make your Croatian vacation a dream come true. So fasten your seatbelts and let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Neglecting the importance of water shoes. When you pack for Croatia's idyllic beaches, don't forget to add water shoes to your checklist. The beaches here are a unique mix of pebbles and rocky outcrops, far from your usual sandy shores. A pair of water shoes will protect your feet, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable beach vacation. Mistake number 2. Overlooking the Croatian siesta tradition. Like many Mediterranean countries, Croatia embraces the siesta, a short afternoon nap or break, particularly during a sweltering summer days. When in Croatia, align your schedule with the locals to fully immerse yourself in the laid-back Croatian lifestyle. Mistake number 3. Limiting your visit to popular tourist hotspots. Yes, Dubrovnik's city walls are Instagram-worthy, but Croatia offers far more than just famous landmarks. Embrace off the beaten path experience, discover hidden gems, and create unique Croatian travel stories. Mistake number 4. Not indulging in traditional Croatian cuisine. Croatia is a gastronomic paradise, offering a cornucopia of regional delicacies. Explore beyond your comfort zone, savor local dishes like peka, pag cheese, Istrian truffles, and enrich your Croatian holiday experience. Mistake number 5. Not respecting Croatia's clear blue waters. As responsible tourists, we should cherish and respect the pristine Adriatic Sea. Ensure to avoid littering and disturbing marine life, embodying a sustainable travel ethos. Mistake number 6. Forgetting to carry cash. Although Croatia is rapidly modernizing, cash remains king, especially in rural areas and local markets. Keep some Croatian kuna on hand to enjoy a hassle-free shopping or dining experience. Mistake number 7. Believing Croatia is solely a summer destination. Croatia's charm extends beyond sunny beaches. Imagine leaf peeping in Istria during fall or enjoying winter sports in Gorski Kotar. Croatia is truly a year-round destination, so consider exploring during off-peak seasons. Mistake number 8. Ignoring Croatia's captivating inland regions. While the Adriatic coastlines often steals the spotlight, the lush inland landscapes offer a wealth of cultural and natural wonders. Make sure to include Plitvice Lakes and Krka National Parks in your itinerary. Mistake number 9. Presuming everyone in Croatia speaks English. While English is widely spoken in tourist hubs, don't take it for granted. A few words of Croatians like hvala for thank you will not only prove useful, but also endear you to the locals. Mistake number 10. Neglecting local customs and traditions. Croatia boasts a rich cultural heritage. To engage more deeply with the local way of life, respect their traditions, dress appropriately for religious sites, and embrace Croatian greetings. Mistake number 11. Neglecting to check the ferry schedule. Croatia's ferry system is vital for island hopping, but schedules can vary outside of the high season. Always verify the timetable ahead of your journey. Mistake number 12. Disregarding Croatian wines. Wine connoisseurs take note, Croatian wines like the Istrian Malvasia or Dalmatian Plavek Mali deserve your attention. Consider visiting local vineyards to elevate your Croatian travel experience. Mistake number 13. Anticipating quick service. Croatians embrace a leisurely pace of life, reflected in their service sector. So enjoy the scenery, relax and appreciate the Croatian pomalo or take it easy lifestyle. Mistake number 14. Disregarding seatbelt laws. In Croatia, it's mandatory to wear seatbelts, both in front and back seats. Adhere to this safety rule to avoid fines and ensure a secure travel experience. Mistake number 15. Missing out on Croatian music festivals. From electronic beach parties to jazz in ancient amphitheaters, these events add a unique twist to your vacation. Try to coincide your visit with a music festival for an unforgettable experience. Mistake number 16. Skipping the local markets. From Zagreb's Dolak Market to coastal fish markets, these venues provide a colorful insight into local life and fresh produce. Be sure to visit at least one during your stay. Mistake number 17. Ignoring swimming safety. Despite the inviting blue waters, remember to be mindful of the local advice regarding safe swimming spots. Croatia's sea can be unpredictable, so always stay informed and be cautious. Mistake number 18. Failing to carry an ID. It's legally required to carry identifications in Croatia at all times. Whether you're exploring Dubrovnik's Old Town or hiking in the Paklenica National Park, ensure you have your ID with you. Mistake number 19. Not staying adequately hydrated. Croatian summers can be hot, particularly on the Adriatic coast. Regularly hydrate with water or even indulge in local mineral water brands like Jamnica. Mistake number 20. Trying to rush through your visit. Croatia's magic lies in its details. From charming cobblestone alleys to breathtaking Adriatic sunsets. Take time to savor each moment, adopt the Croatian Pomalo approach, and enjoy a slower pace of life. And there we have it, our top 20 mistakes to avoid when touring Croatia. Keep these in mind and you'll be all set for an epic Croatian odyssey. If you found this video helpful, do give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more travel tips. Do videnja or goodbye until we meet again.